All right, Gary, we're gonna take a ride in something a little different that we don't get all the time.
Yeah, we don't get these.
This is a 1969 Plymouth Barracuda.
Yep.
It was before they just called them a Cuda. Yeah. This is a full-on Barracuda.
Yep.
This thing is cool, man. Like a little mini resto mod. It's got a built 318 in it.
Yep.
It's got
aluminum intake manifold, headers.
Yeah, a bunch of goodies. It's got vintage air conditioning. It sounds pretty good. Nice wrapping dual exhaust. It's like cool looking green color with the black stripes. Got a white stripe going down the side, like some of the early factory Cudas had.
Yep.
Bucket seats. Got a fold down rear seat, you know, so you got like a little pickup truck back there. Got the custom auto sound radio that fits in the dash, so you don't have to cut the dash up or anything.
Yeah, vintage AC.
Yep, vintage air, and also has that the USB, so you can plug in your phone and listen to music off your phone.
Yeah.
But you know, it's got this custom center console built. Put your phone or your hot cup of Java.
Yep. Got a Momo wheel.
Yeah, look, it's got a Momo wheel too.
I just wanted to say Momo.
Oh yeah, you're a Momo. Look at that! I like that little picture of Barracuda. It's pretty cool. But it's got power windows too, and you know, power steering, power brakes, air, power windows. It's got all the stuff that you'd want to add to a car to drive.
And I think the wiring was all redone, wasn't it?
Yep. It's got new wiring, and
which is nice.
We'll show you the motor. Motor looks nice and clean. It's kind of detailed up. This car belonged to a guy we know pretty well. He's an appraiser, and he wanted to use this car to run around and do his appraisal. So he actually made it to be a driver, reliable. Use it. You know, it got posi-traction. I think it's got 273 ratio or something. So
yeah, it's got 273.
Made for the highway, and it's got a 3-speed automatic trans.
Yep.
So pretty cool, man. We'll go ahead and pull over here and take some more video and pictures for you.
All right, check out this. We don't get these very often. 69 Plymouth Barracuda. Nice car. This one's got a 318. It's been bored out a little bit. Mild cam. Got the Edelbrock going on there. Holley 650 MSD ignition. Hooker headers. Nice BeCool radiator with some dual fans. Transmission cooler. You know, the engine looks good too, man. Ready for the car show, polished up and stuff. Automatic transmission. It's got a posi-traction rear end. 273s in there, so freeway gears. You know, this guy, he drove this thing around, man. He used it like a daily driver. I mean, you know, he was he's an appraiser, so he wanted to drive around in nice classic cars. It's got front disc brakes, power steering, AC, vintage air, so it's, you know, it's good stuff. You know, and I'll show you the interior here. Finish walking around. Yeah, it's nice, I'm telling you. All right. It's like your ivy green metallic, I think is the color for it. And interiors, got a green there. Got some power windows. Wiring, I think, was gone through, you know, redone. So that's a nice and good shape. Got a Momo wheel. It's got a little tack in the middle, you know, factory tack. Got a one of those classic auto sound type radios, so AM, FM, Bluetooth, you know, hook up your phone, all that stuff that's important nowadays. There's your AC controls. Center console. 3 drink holders. That's a lot of drink holders. I'm wondering what's going on there. Alrighty. Well, we're going to go ahead and give you some engine shots here and tell you about it. Alright, here's the power plant here. 318's been bored out. You know, you can bore them up. I heard rumor you can bore them out to up to 400, right? It might be, you know, just enough, you know, 331 or something like that. And, you know, it's got mild cam, it's got headers, got a little high-rise Edelbrock on there, got a Holley carb, got your fender-mounted automatic transmission cooler, power front disc brakes, nice giant BeCool radiator, couple fans in there, if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. And got the vintage AC system here. So it's, you know, it's got the upgraded type compressor, which is nice. And yeah, MSD ignition. So yeah, it's nice, reliable, good car. So we're gonna go ahead and start her up. Yep, that old Chrysler sound there. Yeah, engine sounds good. We're gonna go toward the back, give it a couple revs. Yeah, rumba. Yep, nice sounding car, looks good. It's a fastback, you know, which is nice. And you don't see a lot of the Barracudas, man, with the big window in the back and stuff like that. I don't know why. Nice looking car. Well, we got this one down here, California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. 818-591-1313. You can give Rich, who's sitting in the car over there, or Gary a call, and we'd be more than happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.